How to add the Made with AI label in Instagram. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, we're showing you how to add the Made with AI label in Instagram. This label lets people know your content, whether it's a photo or video, was created with the help of artificial intelligence tools. It's all about being upfront and honest. So to add the Made with AI label in Instagram, first open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap the plus icon at the bottom to create a new post. Select Post from the options. Choose the AI-generated photo or video you want to share. Once selected, tap Next in the top right corner. Feel free to add any effects you like to your content, then tap Next again. Write your caption and tag any relevant people. Look below those sections. You should see an option called Label as Made with AI. Simply tap the toggle button next to this label to activate it. Once everything's set, hit Share and your post will be published with the Made with AI label. And this is how to add the Made with AI label. In Instagram, by adding this label, you're being transparent with your audience and showing them the power of AI creativity. If you have any questions about Made with AI label in Instagram, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.